Hello friends, welcome to my new video. So in this video I am going to tell you about one new thing, and that thing is how our habits are formed. So in this video basically I will be telling you how your habits control you and how that habits start unknowingly. Means if you are doing any unnecessary habit, you must have observed that habit was started as casually, but later, uh, as you started performing it day by day and repeated it frequently, you are uh, you got addicted to it, and now you can't survive without that habit. So in this video I am going to tell you how that habit develops and starts. Suppose if you are a medieval time, uh, suppose if you are a caveman. No, let me take a simple example. Suppose if you are a lion or a tiger of Africa's dense forest. Suppose if you are lion or your horse of Africa or any other forest or any other place. So you just have to think that if you were a lion or a horse or a tiger or any animal, you must have thought about what would be next. Means what would be next, what should I do to get my food, what should I do to be safe from preys, what should I do to get a better house, what should I do to get a better safe place, and where should I stay to get a comfortable nature. Means if you were a animal have consciousness, but they don't have self consciousness. So that's why they only think about their environmental conditions and their survival. These two things are in the topmost priority of any animal. First is food and second is survival. Food also comes with survival, but I am taking it as a separate way. तो सोच के देखो, अगर कोई भी एनिमल होंगे तो आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या कर लोगे, आप क्या खाना है, कहाँ रहना है, प्रे से कैसे बच के रहना है, वही सब सोचोगे. यू डोंट थिंक अबाउट टुमारो, यू डोंट थिंक अबाउट अ ईयर आफ्टर, यू डोंट थिंक अबाउट योर फ्यूचर. आप you just think about what to do next. You are thinking about present moment or the next minute moment. That's why animals are very tension free when it comes to living life, and we humans, कुछ लोग तो ऐसे होते हैं जो कि बिल्कुल काम नहीं करते और सिर्फ टेंशन लेते रहते हैं और पूरा टाइम वो टेंशन लेने में ही बिता देते हैं, और जब एंड वक्त आता है तब उनको लगता है साल भर कुछ नहीं किया, अब कैसे करूँगा. सो दिस इज़, हाँ, और मैं अभी आपको बोलूँगा. सपोज इफ़ यू आर अ caveman, let's shift from animals to caveman. Suppose if you are a caveman, you will think about how I can get food. You will think about how can I survive in this chilled winter or this hot spring summer, or how can I get a safe place, how can I get a good shelter that would help me from being protected by the preys. So these animals and caveman mindset are same. They don't think about a future. They don't think about future. They only think about present moment or the next minute moment, which contributed a lot in them to stay happy or stay focused in what they are doing. So हैबिट्स कैसे फॉर्म होती है मैं अभी एक्सप्लेन करूँगा. तो if you are a caveman, you are actually thinking about food, how I can get food. You are thinking about how I can get shelter, how I can be protected from any prey. So you are thinking, it means you are getting an instant reward. You are doing some action and you are gaining some of, you are doing some of action and you are gaining response immediately. So it, from that time, caveman, from caveman period, when humans were firstly observed to be getting civilized, from that time to this time, much have changed. Our ancestors, and cavemen also used to think about the present moment or the next minute moment. In result of that, they used to get immediate reward or reward related to present. So our human nature, our, when cavemen, when it is firstly observed that cavemen were being civilized, from that period to this period, a lot of things have changed. This explains us about our human nature. Our human nature is addicted to the instant reward. Our human nature is addicted to the instant reward. That's why in this modern era, when technology, mobile phone, computer have changed, when अभी चालू है की recording? when
पैक करून ये
oh, when technology, mobile, computer have changed the world, तो सोच सकते हो भाई, तब से लेकर जब आप एक केवमैन थे, तब से लेकर अब तक बहुत कुछ चेंज हो चुका है. और यहाँ पे आप एक चीज़ ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हो कि हमारे ह्यूमन नेचर को वही चीज़ें पसंद है जो कि इंस्टेंट रिवॉर्ड दिलाती है. तो ये ह्यूमन नेचर है, इसको कोई चेंज भी नहीं कर सकता, इसको सिर्फ मेंटेन किया जा सकता है. तो उस टाइम से, हाँ, तो अभी हम जो है, हम भी ह्यूमन ही है, तो हमारा भी नेचर ऐसा कुछ ऐसा ही है कि हमें सिर्फ इंस्टेंट रिवॉर्ड वाली चीज़ें ही पसंद आती है. तो ह्यूमन नेचर कभी नहीं बदला, लेकिन जो ये मोबाइल पीसी टेक्नोलॉजी ने कर दिया है, मोबाइल पीसी और टेक्नोलॉजी ने हमें जो रिवॉर्ड मिलते हैं उनको डिले कर दिया है. सो mobile phones, PC and technology have delayed the rewards which we gain, and that's why in this era we only think about what will happen in future, how can I get food and how can I get shelter. So कुछ इसी तरीके से है. So कुछ इसी तरीके से है. तो इस So the essence of video is human nature is so the essence of this video is the human nature, which I am saying is instant reward loving. So that's why if you perform any activity that gives you instant reward, you immediately get you would have observed that if you have performed activity which have given you instant reward, that must have more chances that to get performed. अगर आपने कोई भी ऐसी एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म की होगी जिसमें आपको इंस्टेंट रिवॉर्ड मिलता है, तो आपको उस टाइम पे आपने उस टाइम पे ऑब्जर्व किया होगा कि वो एक्टिविटी ज़्यादा रिपीट होने के चांसेस रहते हैं. तो इस वीडियो का जो एसेंस है, वो एसेंस यही है कि ह्यूमन नेचर जो है इंस्टेंट रिवॉर्ड को बहुत ही प्रायोरिटी देता है, और उसकी वजह से आपको जो भी चीज़ें अभी इंस्टेंट रिवॉर्ड दे रही है, वो आपकी धीरे धीरे हैबिट बन जाती है अननोइंगली. दैट्स हाउ द हैबिट्स गेट फॉर्म in the way of instant rewards. Some of the examples I would like to give you is reel scrolling. If you scroll reels, you will get instant reward in the way of dopamine, and you will get very good because of it. And to gain that good feeling, gain that instant reward, you will repeat that habit, and that's how a scrolling habit will happen. Scrolling habit will be formed. Second, I want to mention is gaming. If you have started gaming with your friend or your brother or your any family member or your any particular relative, you must have observed that first matches were very first matches were very enjoying match according to you. But after some time, when the time you must have observed that when you started playing with your any relative, you were you were you both were enjoying it in the first round only. But as you perform, as you repeat the activity day by day, it increases your dopamine it increases your dopamine appetite, and because of that dopamine appetite, you are more likely to repeat that habit in a single day. Suppose if you are starting your game with your any friend, and at day 1 you are playing only one match, and then you are ending your game. And and if you started performing it day on daily basis, you are performing it frequently, then you will observe that on day 30 or on any day other than first day, you will repeat that habit, and that's how a gaming habit will happen. So what that gaming habit will do, what that gaming activity will do, it will give you a instant reward, and which will feel which will help you to feel very good, and that's how a habit is formed. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you. Bye bye.